Hello everyone, through this video we will learn how to work with the email in mobile device. So first of all we need to install Gmail. So to install Gmail we'll need to go to Play Store. In Play Store just we need to type Gmail and just search. Okay, now here we can see the Gmail very colorful with the M letter icon. Okay, and here it is showing the update button, there it will show you the install. Okay, but generally by default Gmail is get installed in your mobile from the beginning itself. Okay, nowadays though whichever mobile you will purchase, in that mobile by default means from the beginning it would be installed already. So just we need to go and we have to open it, and further work we can do it. If it is not there in your mobile, we need to install. What we have to do, we have to go to Play Store, and in Play Store we have to just search Gmail, and it will show M color icon. We have to click on install. It will take some time how it was showing for the update. As it will get installed, it will show you the option open. So for that you need to wait for some time, right? Now my Gmail is getting updated, so I'm waiting till it will get installed. Now we can see that green button is now showing open. So here I have open. Then it will ask you to log in with a particular email ID and password. So if you have Gmail ID and password, you can log in with. Then you would be able to see your email box like this. So now you can see here Zoom and this Shakespeare's emails I have in my email box. So this is my inbox. Okay, and if I want to see any message, to read message, just I need to click on that particular email. Suppose I want to read Shakespeare's message. So it is actually the Zoom link sir has sent to me. So when and what, so just click on it, it will get open. Again if you want to go to inbox, just need to press this upside left side arrow is showing left of corner, that arrow we have to click. So again we'll go one step back. Otherwise you can use your mobile back key also. Okay, back button. Now for first email I want to open, just click on it and it is open. If I want to go to inbox, click on arrow. So I hope so you understood how we can read the email. Yes or no? If you understood, type U in the chat box. Now second step, how can we send the email? Okay, how can we send the email? For that we need to go to compose option. Downside you can see the compose. Sometime it will show you plus sign. Okay, now it is updated, that's why it is showing compose option. Otherwise it will show you only pen and plus sign. So just click on it. Now already upside it will be written your email ID. Downside we have to write to whom we want to send. So I want to send on my another ID, that's why I'm writing peter.it 2011. Okay, subject 6th standard practical. Suppose you want to send Diwali greetings, so happy Diwali wishes. If you want to send New Year greeting, happy New Year, happy Christmas, happy Eid, whatever wishes you want to send through email, that subject you can write. In big organization or the companies, when they are doing the formal emails, that time they are utilizing the topic, what the topic they want to send. So here we have to write the subject and the rest of the things. In compose mailbox you have to write the rest of the main content of your email. Dear students, okay, today we are learning about email service with mobile device. Got it? So now our email is ready. I want to send. So upside we can see at the right top corner there is one triangle is given. So that is actually the send button. So just click on it. It will get sent. Now here you can see one message is showing downside. Here it was showing, now it is not there. So send message sent. If you have entered the correct email id, then it will show you message sent. Otherwise it will say message failed if you are entering any wrong email id. Then if everything is right, then it will work properly. Understood? So till now we have learned about how to install Gmail, how to read email, how to send email on mobile device. Same way you can do in computer also. Slightly it would be different. Rest of the basic part would be same. Next we are going to learn about how we can reply to email and how to forward the email. Okay, so here we are going to open any email. Okay, we will reply to Shakespeare also. So I have opened Shakespeare's email, and if you want to reply, just scroll down, just take the screen up, so it will scroll down. Here downside you can see reply, reply to all, forward. Three options are there. So if I want to reply to sir, means I want to say thank you for the link or any other options I want to say, then just I can click on reply and we can say type thank you. Now see, it doesn't ask the email address because we are replying now. So automatically this two box it is given, subject also filled, just we have to write the main content. Got it? Now thank you. And if I want to send, where to click? Yes, right, we need to click this upside on the arrow. Now downside you can see here it is showing send message, black at the bottom black line sent. So message is sent to Shakespeare. Suppose this message I want to forward to somebody, this link I want to give to somebody. So what can I do? Okay, so again we have to open the email. Okay, this link, go downside we have the forward option, right bottom corner, forward. So just click. So with the help of forward we can send same message. Now content is, everything is ready, just we need to type the email id to whom we want to forward. Typed. If I'll click on send, it will go. Okay, so what is the difference between reply and forward? Reply, we can answer to that email if you want, and forward, same message we can pass to somebody else. Got it? So till now dear students, we have learned about how to install Gmail app, how to open it, how to read email in the inbox, how to send the email if you got an email, and if you want to reply to it. So we have just, I have demonstrated that how we can reply to particular email and forward also. So these are the options which we are going to do practically. You have to do practically. Everyone has a mobile, you can send email to each other. We can share some email IDs. I will share with you my email ID, so you can send me on that emails. Okay, practice emails. Fine? Understood? Yes or no? Now let's move to the next practical of today's, that is about the WhatsApp, the another app of the mobile, that is WhatsApp message. Okay, now I hope so you all have the WhatsApp. Yeah, obviously, because you are getting the link through the WhatsApp only, right? So WhatsApp messages already, everyone has a clear idea of it. Just for a sake, I will show you how we can do the practically. You can, so let's know about the WhatsApp. Here I'm going to start my WhatsApp. So you know very well now these many messages I have received which is showing the green color, right? So if I want to read any message, just I need to click. So these are the group actually. I have the individual messages also. Okay. These all messages I have. This is from Rosie teacher. Okay. So this we can see the message like if I want to forward this message, so what to do, how to do, you know very well, right? So WhatsApp you all are very familiar with. If you would like to know anything else about the WhatsApp, so you can ask me, so I can explain you. Okay.